Hi, this is CS Trades 101, Cameron Simpson. Thank you for joining me here today. I'm not a broker or financial advisor. So let's jump on in here. We're going to covering ticker symbol AMC today. To start off, market has not opened, but as market closed yesterday, we had a 17.92 drop. It is at 51.34. In pre-market, we are at $50.26. We're at negative 2.03 today. So, what an interesting day yesterday. Wow. I don't know what to say about that one. I shot a video and it explained what happened yesterday. It was an institution sell of 11 million shares. I did some DD. Somebody brought that to my attention on our live stream. Thank you very much for that. And not that I didn't believe you, but after I got off work, I had to dig into that. I tried to find stuff on my lunch break. I couldn't find that much information. It's kind of hard when you're in the middle of nowhere trying to look that stuff up. So anyways, I shot a video and there's multiple things that are affecting us and it also is a YouTuber. If you've caught that, the YouTuber has 100,000 followers, just under. I just checked. He's dropping probably about 5,000 just since I shot that podcast. I don't know if it's me that affected or people that just commonly just noticed him doing that. He's been putting down GME and AMC, telling people to sell. Hopefully that you guys, I know some of my subscribers are subscribed to his channel. I don't care. I don't want you to not subscribe. That's up to you. I don't do that. That's not how I roll, right? You do your own DD, but just I hopefully that you did not sell and listen to that fear mongering because it would have damaged you. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to log on to my stuff as we do every morning, and it's 3 minutes before market opens. So let's just jump on in here. Okay, so guys, we'll log on there, and we're gonna jump on this other platform here, and hopefully you guys didn't sell yesterday. The Wolfpack did not sell any AMC. We did sell BlackBerry. We're out. I wanted to. It actually did a push yesterday up to the level where I broke. Actually, I lost $500. I just wanted out. I'm going to relocate on that. I'm going to take a lower take on that. I've held that stock for over 6 months. I was going to sell it live. I was at work. I did not sell live. I'm broadcasting that now. I'm very transparent on that. So that's how that went. Just give me a second here. I'm just going to hook up the server with Reddit, and we'll jump on in here. Okay. We are hooked up. Okay. So, yes, I did. I sold, Wolfpack did sell $5,000 worth of BB, BlackBerry, yesterday. We did that. We were $500 minus, 500 and some chump change. We sold out because we're going to grab a new position on that. We had a high position. We sold when we were in the squeeze, or we bought when we were in the squeeze. Sorry. We had a substantial high stake. I was not comfortable with that. I'm going to rebuy into BlackBerry when it dips. Okay, we'll be doing that live. I always get in my new position. AMC I did not sell. I would never even think of selling into that. I just wanted to make sure that you guys, I know you're subscribed. Did you watch my last podcast? If you did, if you haven't, you should. It's a good video. It does cover AMC. It covers the hedgies of how they're ladder attacking us, and it's actually put out by AMC and Trades. Okay, so we did obtain that video. And all the credits do go to the people that made the video. I'm not taking any of the credit for that. I just want you to know that some of my subscribers are subscribed to one of the people that is mentioned in that video. I'm going to refer to him as the old man, okay? He is fear-mongering AMC and GME, and a substantial amount of his followers did sell yesterday. They did screw themselves because Oh, market just opened. So I'll stop babbling about that. Okay, we're at $49. We're banging around at 49. We're negative 3.4.0, 2.1. It's gonna go. We're gonna go back into the green again right away. There we go. That fast, because yesterday was an institutional sell of 11 million shares. This thing's gonna go crazy today. Holy, yep. We got a lot of shares. Holy wow, we got a lot of volume coming in today. We've had over 10 news stations covering this in a positive way. Okay, we're already at 2%, 3% positive. We're at $53. Okay, this is going to be a very wild ride today. And congrats to AMC. I mean, even harder on this. This is an awesome stock. Okay, so we're at 3%. We've already recovered what we did and above from last night pre-market. This is going to get up to, we're going to probably get around those $60 again today. This is just my prediction. You have to remember everything, take everything with a grain of salt. You do your own DD. So, everybody, hopefully you had a good day, even though we were in the red yesterday. Perfect day to buy. And we're already at 5%. So this is going to, yesterday was just like I said, institutional sell of 11 million shares. One of our viewers did share that first thing in the morning at 4 in the morning. Okay, the thing is, I didn't have to work today. When the days I don't have to work, it'll be regular 6:25 Pacific Standard Time, or it'll be 9:25 Eastern Standard Time. We're already at 6%. This thing's going to go crazy today, okay? We also got hit with a ladder attack at the same time. These assholes knew that the hedgies I'm talking about knew that morning. So Moon Unit, good morning, bud. So anyways, they knew that because it's common knowledge that the institution was selling, they have to propose that. Okay, these asshole hedgies knew that. They friggin' ladder attacked us at the same time, drove the stock right down, but they didn't get as low as they wanted. They wanted to get it down to like the $10 range. It didn't work. We had too much volume coming in. So what up? Excuse me. So what happened was they we had too much volume, positive volume coming in. This stock would have collapsed. This thing would have collapsed yesterday, but it didn't, because we are strong. We have a strong nation here. Okay. And I'm just going to cover the ticker symbol AMC Entertainment Holdings. We're at $53 right now, and we are climbing fast. We got a lot of volume. See, we got some pushback happening. These hedgies are pissed, okay? They screwed themselves. If they had one chance to take us out yesterday, and they could not succeed, okay? So I'm just going to read some chat here, and then we'll jump on in. Okay, anybody else want to throw a chat? A couple of people already have, and I'm going to get to that. Okay, Family 55. It felt like crypto yesterday. It was pretty pretty rough market yesterday, guys. And hopefully, and I know you guys didn't sell. I didn't put a sell signal out there, and I never would on a day like that. We don't sell in the red. Okay, I did sell BB. I'm out on BB right now, BlackBerry. We did sell all of our stock yesterday because I lost $500. I was down $3,000. Oh, sorry, my fingers aren't working. $3,000 I was down. I'm grabbing a new stake in it. I'm not completely out. That is an awesome stock, okay? I'm relocating down lower because I was not comfortable being up that high. I was at $21 and something. Yes, it's worth it, but as you know, let's check it. I just want to look over what it's worth. Yeah, see, look at, I saved myself about $2,000, okay, by doing that. I'm going to relocate probably in the next couple days, and I will be buying live with you guys. We always do it that way. Okay, so we're already at 52 and a half. It's going to be a good day today. Like I said, those asshole hedgies just hammered on us. They knew that was coming, and then they ladder attacked us on top of it. They had their one chance to take us out, and they could not succeed. What a bunch of putzes. So anyways, I'm just going to jump over and check some other stuff out because we've got a lot of action. I do cover a lot of stock here, so I'm going to... What do you think today? Back to the 70s? Yeah, it's going to go up there. We're in the red right now, but like you said, we got a lot of news hype on this. So every hedge fund that is in on this is against us now. Okay, they are freaking pissed. I think we're in the $60 range for sure. I don't like to put numbers on that. Anything like higher than what we've already, definitely will be up in this range. I drew the trend line, a horizontal trend line for the followers, so we have something to work off of, okay? We had a lot of positive news coverage yesterday, so that'll help us, okay? So they're going to be trying everything. As you can see, that candlestick's just sitting there, just bouncing, and it's trying to recover. It's trying to recover hard. Like, we are getting attacked right now as we speak, okay? We got a lot of volume coming in, a substantial, actually, amount of volume coming in. So people aren't selling. I know that. I don't think anybody sold. I looked on the charts, and I'm going to be getting you some more. I'm trying to hook up with Ortex for you. Okay. I'm not comfortable paying their rates of $40 a month, $50 a month just to cover this. Okay. Because it does come out of my own pocket. I'd rather put the money into stock, into AMC, and reinvest. As you know, I don't get paid for this. I'm not monetized our station, not yet. We have to get to 1,000 subs, okay? I'm trying like heck to get up there. So I need you guys for that. You guys I work for you, okay? I work for you guys, okay? I don't know if you guys know that, but that's how it works, right? I'm here for you to broadcast, right? So anyways, I just wanted to check. I'm looking over the scanner right now, and checking out. Okay, I'm going to jump on GME for a second here, because there's a lot of people that are in on this too. Okay, we're going to put this back on the 1 minute chart. I was just doing a little bit of homework last night, late last night, again for you guys. Okay, they're in the green right now. They just jumped in the green. We're going to hit we are using Webull scanner. And it's also a buy platform. So they're at 57.90. They're 0.11% in the red right now. 0.17 in the red right now. They are having the same problems. They got attacked yesterday. Every sector got attacked yesterday. Okay? The only thing that the marijuana stocks didn't. They did pretty good yesterday. Sundial did a substantial amount good. It's because these bastards were in on the marijuana stocks. Okay, they didn't touch them for some. So we know where they are. We know where they are. Do you have Vortex? No, I don't. No, I don't. I'm going to be buying it. So it's just that it's like I can get Vortex, the cheap version. It doesn't update every 5 minutes. It's junk. Okay, anybody can get that. The free sub. We don't give you false information. It's very misleading. It's so far behind in its updating. Like I said, I'm going to do that. It's $600 a year for Canadian for that, just under. So, like I said, my channel's not monetized yet. I put all my money into. I got over $70,000 invested into AMC and a substantial another amount of stock. Sorry, that's hard to say. I need to have my coffee. I am affiliated with, as you know, with Wall Street Breakers, and so are you guys. Wolfpack we're one. Wall Street Breakers, and you're welcome to go over there for free and join. It's in a Discord group, and they are also on Reddit. Okay, you just tell them that Wolfpack sent you, and they'll treat you with VIP service. Okay, because they're the same thing. Okay, we're the same thing. So, and if you want, you can just look down below. If you want to see down down below in our template, where it says Patreon and all my stuff, and then it says 4K. I'm looking at it right now, and it says Wall Street Breakers. That's the symbol you want to look for. You make sure you're on the correct site. Kat, how you doing? Good morning. Yeah, what a day, eh? I'm gonna jump back over to AMC here. It's gonna be a bit of a go today. We will get this back into the green. It's fighting like heck. Hopefully, and I know you guys didn't sell. I like to be there for your backbone. I like to be there and supporting you guys as much as I can, and hopefully I do. I know there was a little bit of a different video out there. I was very upset last night with a YouTuber, and I think the whole YouTube platform is pretty pissed at that person. He has around 100 subscribers, but he's lost over 5,000 subscribers in the last day. Okay, that's lots. the person, the old man, we'll call him. If you look at my last video, you can watch it. I borrowed the copyrights from another YouTuber, actually a couple of them, and AMC, Aaron, the CEO of AMC, give us the privilege to borrow that video and restream it. Okay, we're in the green right now. So that's what I'm talking about. We're doing this, guys. We're not screwing around anymore, okay? So we're back at 1%. We just need to shake some cobwebs off. Because a lot of the people that don't understand AMC that had stake, hopefully that video came out there. I thought of cross, they started to cover Freedom Fund. Yeah, we'll check that out in 1 second here, my friend. So yeah, watch that video. It's Bruce. I don't like messing up. It's Uncle Bruce. He has done a lot of damage, okay, to AMC personally and to GME. He's telling all of his clients, sorry, that's wrong. You're not clients. You do not work for the person. His subscribers to sell. That is a bad stock, and on and on and on. And we found all this out. And then AMC shot a video on him. An actual video. They spent millions of dollars to make that video. And he is grouped with the hedgies. It goes, this is the hedgies, and they're all crap. And then it shows a picture of Citadel and then Uncle Bruce. Right on the screen. Go watch the video. I broadcasted it for you guys. We are smashing this right now. To get up 3% from -3 is huge. That's a lot of work to get past that. I readjust. We're going to be back up to 68 today, guys. We're going to be, let me check my scanner here. Yeah, we're going to be back up to the $57 range for sure, guys. Okay, so I like what I see. I just had to see that. Okay, so we're going to FF, financial freedom. Sorry, I am dyslexic, as you guys know. If you see stuff backwards, I think I am dyslexic, and I'm not saying that to bug somebody. I think I do have issues. It's just that I have a very calculating mind, as you know. I can see numbers and I can tell odds fast, but when it comes to stuff, I say stuff backwards. I don't know what that is. I've always done that as a kid. I think my mind goes faster than my mouth. So, anyways, COSS, okay, COSS, ticker symbol KOSS, right? I don't know. I'm just a little early. I know what it means. I've watched it before. Let's just have a look here. Ooh, that's not good. That's not good at all. Do you own stake in this, my friend? I'm going to call you FF, okay? It's just too hard in the morning for me to reiterate for you. So let's have a look here for FF here. Holy crap. This looked like AMC yesterday, my friend. So do you think yesterday was its 34? So do you think yesterday was its $34 dip? Sorry, what stock are we? Are we talking about COSS? Sorry, you just got to be a little bit more clear. You have to remember I'm slightly retarded. Okay, that's why I'm doing this. Okay. And it's really early in the morning. So we do see a little bit of a pushback here, though. That is a substantial amount of drop. That is in one day. You guys got schwacked. Holy crap. Wow, this looks like AMC, man. Yeah, you guys got attacked right here, man. This is not normal. Attack. You guys tried to recover and tried to get that up. Not enough volume. Nowhere near enough volume. Holy crap. So you got attacked. This is definitely a meme stock. I remember reading that. I don't cover this, but we will put it in our portfolio to cover. This is definitely ladder tack stuff. See this? This is all ladder truck. It tried to recover, but boom, 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 boom. Okay, I'm just checking out. AMC's up 4.62%. We're doing this. Okay, so we're going to check out crypto just got hammered. Musk tweeted again. Every time that guy opens his mouth, he kills the market. There's two things happening with crypto right now. Oh, 34. Yeah. Yes, Kat. 34. Sorry. I'm just looking at some stuff, Kat. Here. Okay. From ANC 34. Yeah. It was pretty bad. It was a bad go. yesterday, but we're gonna recover. That's it's all good. It's all good. We're just gonna get a little bit of consult here, and we're gonna drive that back up. But so what happened with crypto? We got two different things that's affecting crypto because we cover every stock here. It has been shorted hard. I can see that. It has been shorted hard, and it definitely got schwacked. Okay, and it definitely got a ladder attack. It's one of the meme stocks that's, I know that for a fact. BlackBerry got a drive yesterday and they got schwacked. I did sell out my position, everybody. I know a lot of people are probably, well, why'd you do that? I had a very high position. I got caught in the meme hype and I bought in from 25 down and I thought I was doing good, and I had it at 21, so I lost $500. I went against what I stand for on this channel. But after I did that, 2 seconds after I sold it, it dropped another $2,000 I would have lost. So I'm happy as hell. I'm going to reposition on that. When it dips down lower, I'm going to buy sorry guys, that's really loud on your end. I'm going to buy a new stake in it, and I'm going to do that live, okay? It's just, I was not happy with that. I like to make money, not sit there and watching it just do nothing for 6 months. So, anyways, AMC, $55.15. We are up 7.12%. We are doing this. I told you we were going to get back up to 50 some odd dollars, 54. So eventually you want to add more to AMC, but not sure to add. You should have done that, Cat, yesterday. You should have done that, girl. You should have done that during the dip. That was a substantial dip. I don't know if we'll see that again on this stock. I know I've said that before, but we had a lot of things that were against us. We showed institutional sold 11 million shares. We put it down into the red, right? And then we got ladder attacked, like hard ladder attacked, like the worst one. Okay, it did hit one something. It did. Oh, wow. Yeah, I remember that. Yes, I did see that. I did see that on a Reddit pipe there. I was watching one of the pipe streams and I did see that. Do you have money in that, FF? Just let me ask, do you I'll just read back in the messages. I think yes, you do. You said yes, you do. Do you mind sharing what price range to the public? If not, that's personal information. I understand that. Okay. And I respect that. Okay, but yeah, just so I know, because you've been on here quite a few times and we've got that report together, and I just want to help you out there. Yeah, AMC's doing it, bud. We're doing it. We got a lot of volume coming in. We just need a little bit more. We just need a little bit of side action here. Actually, we're going up too fast. That's what the problem is. I know you guys are like, what the hell is Cameron talking about? We're going up too fast. I've told you about the vertical climb. You gotta have levels of support. You have to, or else it comes down. That's what they're doing, is driving us right back down. But it won't go into the red. Don't worry. There's too much volume to come in. There's too much hype on this. See what I'm saying? It's coming down. See? Look at it. They just dropped 2% in two candlesticks. But if we're gonna push that back up, because we got a lot of volume. But if we keep on doing consult and steps like this, they only can take us down a step. Okay, but I'm okay with that. I'm very, very, very bullish on this. Okay, so Kat, I want to ask. Yeah, that's right. They did sell the 20 million shares. It was an institution. Okay, you watched that interview with Aaron, the CEO of AMC. I do have a VOD podcast on it. And the thing is we got a ladder attacked at the same time. Those bastards knew, because they have to put it up on the screen. On the screen. They have to. That's public knowledge to, especially a hedge firm. They get first class news. They have news scanners that scan this stuff. Okay, and they have these computers that just can pump the crap out of it. We can speed trade. We don't have that. We have simple buttons we push. Okay, big difference. Okay. We're getting attacked right now, but that'll push back up, guys. There we go. Do I have this on the 1 minute? That's weird that it's jumping so fast. Anyways, enough about that. Okay, Kat, you asked when to buy. I can't legally tell you that. You know that. I know you're asking for, and I know you want to double down probably on it. I know. I'm just trying to help you out here. I'm trying to word this. You should have bought yesterday, my girl. But Yeah, I wish I could give you the information that I want. I'm just trying to think of how to reword that. Hold that for a second. Let me ponder this over. I have to think of a story to tell you. That's the only way I can get across to you guys is I tell you a story. Okay? Let's just wait this out for a bit. We still have all the platforms dumping. What time is it? Oh yeah, we're still working on. All the platforms are still unloading their stuff. See, come on, guys, do some consult here. Shit. It's okay. Just it's all good. Just let it do its thing. I wish I was live yesterday on that. Yeah, don't worry. It's my choice. I know, Kat. I know. But now is where I can't tell you what to do, but you know what I'm saying there, girl. We're in the red. Read between the lines. We just hit 2% down. I'd be on my phone if I was you. I can't tell you what to do, but there's your signal right there. You're in a good position right now. I don't know if it'll go any lower. I can't predict that. You know, I don't have a ball in front of me. But now we're down 3%. Okay, you get the picture? Okay. You know what to do, girl. You answered your own question. So, anyways, everything, the whole market's getting schwacked here. My whole portfolio on the left side is pretty much everything I own is in the red today. Sundial is taking a huge hit. I don't own in that though. I did want to buy some Loop Energy today, but they're up. I don't like buying in a green. Oh, Kat, I hope you listened, because now we're back in the green. I don't know how fast your finger is, but we're back in the red, back in the green. We're gonna have a rough day today, guys. It's not gonna stay in that red. It's not gonna stay in that red. I can tell you right now. We got a lot of fight back. So, anyways, I'm just gonna read through the through the feed here, guys. Yeah, won't worry, it's my choice. Okay, Cat was the last one. Okay, I'm all caught up, guys. Okay, so let's jump around here. A Doge took a huge hit. Holy crap! I remember when I went to bed last night, that was at 0.41. That is substantial. That's more than 9%, or is it? I don't know. My brain can't think. Air Canada took a hit too. Ooh, I lost money there. But it's on 50% off. Air Canada trades at $50 all day long, right? I don't know I know a substantial amount of my clients are American. You guys, like, if you want in on something, I'm going to share some information with you. Air Canada is frigging a good deal, okay? And especially with American money, you can get it even cheaper, okay? And same as with down in the States, your aviation sector is obviously on half price. It has to be by now, but they had a bit of a push. So the thing is ours is on, like, they won't let it go bankrupt. They talk about bankruptcy and the government bails them out. They didn't even get a chance to go into bankruptcy protection, okay? It's our main aviation sector. I know that's protected, that stock. It's more protected than anything on the planet. If they lose that, we're screwed. We are screwed. Wow, this is a buy signal totally on AMC right now, guys. Okay, because it could dip a little bit more, but today's a good day to buy, for sure. Because this friggin' thing's gonna go to the moon, and you all know that, right? It's just that I want these hedges to use up all their mojo this morning. It's Friday too. You gotta remember it is Friday today. Duh. It's just, that's what happens when you work. Oh yeah, and sorry about switching all the times around. I'm all over the place. 6:25 Pacific Standard Time, and then I'm on at 4:25. It's work, right? I got to do what I got to do, and I noticed a lot of people were pissed off at me because I went to work. They get in a routine, and now they have nobody to watch. Okay. That's why I come on and I'll do the 10 minutes in the morning at 4. You can always watch that later on. Things don't change that much within an hour in pre-market, okay? So, there we go. I'm starting to wake up now. A rough night. I'm working 12-hour days. It's brutal. And then I got to drive for an hour each way. So that's a 15-hour day plus. So, anyways, enough stuff about my whining about life and the general stuff that everybody else does. Yeah, Koss is taking a huge smack this morning in the face. It's down 30.31, down 1.68% in the red. Sorry to say that. I don't like saying that word red. Okay, there's something else that I was covering here. Naked. Okay, yeah, let's jump over here. I'm liking this stock. It had a good go yesterday. And then she got ladder attacked. This is 3 crows right here. Okay? A positive followed by 3 negatives is called 3 crows. Okay, that's called a 3 crow. That's a bearish sign. Okay, that's not good. Just so you guys know. Obviously. But for newcomers, and I always throw education out there as I go, okay? And any new people that want to sub, you can if you want. If you don't want to, it's up to you, right? We got the news. We got the goods, right? And we will definitely be sending out. I know you guys were waiting the other day when it was going crazy and it was banging off 100 and some odd %. Is he going to send his SOS out? Is he going to send it out? Is it? No. I'm only going to send it out when it actually squeezes, okay? And a full on squeeze. That was a gamma squeeze. Oh, I wanted to use something for an example. I'm going to diagnose this, but I want to go back to AMC. I'm going to show you what the squeeze is going to be like. Yesterday was a perfect example of how high it's going to go, how low it's going to go. And it's going to go like this. So now you're prepared for it. Okay, it's going to be very violent. It's going to jump like $25, $50 at a time. Instead of and 2%, it'll be jumping 20, 30%. Okay, and trust me, that's what it's going to be like. But I want to go into that. I'm going to get you prepared for the squeeze. Okay, so, and we do have more shorts. They didn't double down, but they've downed a bit on it. Okay, let's go into this. Let's have a look back at this. Okay, we're going to hit the reset button here. See, it need to be reset. There we go. So, anyways, this thing's all over the place. One of the people online here told me about it. They might be on right now. Just hang on. I got messages coming in from everywhere today. Emails. Emails. I got a lot of emails to put that video out yesterday. There were people almost crying on there to get me out to slam this butthead. That butthead that I slammed yesterday lives 2 hours from me, believe it or not. Uncle Bruce. I can't believe he did that live. What an asshole. Oh, thanks, Chad. Thanks, brother. Thanks for the sub, man. And I got new cards too, and I'm gonna get you a mailing address too, and you can mail stuff in. These are the new cards. I don't know if you can see that. But these are my new business cards. I got it out there. I'm promoting you guys. You guys I'm promoting you. So once we hit 1,000 subs, I can start. You can send me, if you want to disclose your address, I'm going to be mailing you stuff out, stickers and all that. I'm not wanting stuff from you. I'm actually going to mail stuff out to you guys so you can support my stuff on the back of your vehicle and stuff and get us more subs, okay? It goes both ways. MVIS, yes. Cat is in on that baby too. Let's jump over there. So, I wanted to throw this out there. This thing got schwacked yesterday. It is in the buy right now, I guess. This thing's hard to read. NAKD. It's very hard to read. Naked brand. Okay, it's all over. It's a meme stock, as we all know. It's very volatile. You can't really judge this thing. You go by day by day. It's the same as AMC. You cannot predict it, right? So, this thing hit its highs, looks like yesterday. Okay? Let's hang on. It did. So we got a line of, we got a resistance line here. It's banged off that twice. To get past that today, I don't see that happening. Sorry, guys. But if you're in on this and you're in big, obviously you know what to do. Right? I can't tell you what to do. But if you're going to double down or buy some more, it looks like you're at your low right now. Oh, maybe I'd wait a little bit more. But that's what you do. You wait for those lows. When it's in a valley, obviously that's a buy signal, right? If you look past history and that's the lowest it's been, if you're in and you want to double down, that's when you do it. Okay, so, Chad and, GM Maxima X, or what is it, 6MX. You guys' names are getting pretty long, man. It's hard for me to do first in the morning. So I do abbreviate, so I'll call you 6MT, okay? So let's check out some Microvision. MVIS. Microvision is $18.37. And they're in the green, which is a beautiful thing. They're at 0.175. They had a good go yesterday. Or this morning. Sorry. I just had to look at the time frames on the bottom. So I did see this thing in the green pre-market. We're at 2% now, straight across the board. Okay, so let me check some stuff out here. So you guys had a high, and you had a high at two highs. Okay, we had a high and it drove it down. It could not hold that level. But this looks like your support level right here. So it hit 1, 2, 3, 4 times, 5 times. And you haven't broke that yet, except back here, but it didn't hold it. There wasn't enough volume to hold that. Oh, that's obvious, right? It drove it back down. That was today. So if it was me, I'd hold off on this for a bit. I'd wait until after, just before. I would not do it in power hour. It's hard. I try not to buy in power hour, guys. So what I would do, if it was me, I'd wait until about 10 or 11. I'd reassess this stock, okay? I'd go back and pull the chart out. You guys have the same charts as me. You can download it on, I'm using Webull, or you can use Yahoo, but Webull is a little bit better for me anyways as a broadcaster. What I would do, so I would just pull it up, and you put a trend line, or you don't even need to do that. You can just look at the screen because they have squares on the screen, right? And you can just look at it. You find out where your lows are. You see how many times it's hit that trend line. If you see it keeps on banging off the trend line, you know that it's going to hit that trend line or punch through it eventually again. So you want to hit it in the valley, okay? It's not a valley. They call it a bowl. I make up my own terminology. I call it a valley because it makes more sense in the valley, okay? There you go. There, I just give you how I read stocks. Okay, that's inside info too, and I do share it with my subscribers. Okay, the highest is 22 for MVS. Yes, and I would love that to get up there. There's a couple people on this chat that are actually, I know you guys, I don't know if you guys talk back and forth or whatever, but I guess you couldn't because it'd be very hard for you to do. But you guys should, a lot of you guys are in on the same thing, and you guys are wishing for the same stuff. Microvision, I've always said, it's one of those things where if you're long on to hold, right, you're in for the go, right? Like AMC, I am, right? But if you're very passionate about something, you hold it, right? Like AMC, I will hold that right until the end, right? And then, like I said, we'll be doing the sell together. I'm not going to leave you guys holding the bag on that one. Trust me. If I did that, I'd just shut my channel down and put my tail between my legs and leave, because everything I stand for, I just shot myself in the head. Okay. And I won't do that. Okay. So today I would let this level out, and I just wanted to because it's almost at 3%. Okay. If it hits in the highs, then I would wait until another day. This is just me. I would wait till that valley. Okay, just pull it back and judge. I don't like you guys to overspend. That's what I did on BlackBerry, and I've always shared that with you. Okay, that's why I sold my position completely yesterday. Every frigging stock. But that is in my BlackBerry trading account. I'm gonna reposition. Okay, there's a difference. I know I won't do that with AMC. You don't do that with something like, I would never be able to buy in back what I'm at. But BlackBerry, I know, is going to go down back to $14, $11 range. I know that, right? Because they don't have that much stock and volume. It was a meme push yesterday. Okay, so anyways, we are going to go back to AMC. We're in the negative. So this is your buy again. Anybody doubling down or whatever buying, this is it. These are your buy areas. These are what we're looking for buyers. We're looking for these. I'm going to pull this back out a bit. And sorry, Microvision will hit the 22s, and for the it will get back up there, guys. Okay, it's just up and down like a roller coaster. It's all about volume. Okay, now we're starting to get this consolidation. We never had this before. We're getting this straight up action. It's not good on a stock. Okay, it's too much volatility. Okay, once we get this consolidation, we'll get that tailwind, like I always say. Look at it, just did. It broke us from 3 up. We're bouncing around. Okay, we got to put a green. There we go. We'll do this, guys, ladies and gentlemen. It's just that we need more volume. We're not getting no volume here today. None. I think that scared a lot of people yesterday. And then we got that butthead on YouTube doing that too. Piece of junk. Fucking idiots, man. Pardon my language, but that guy should just pack his channel up and leave. Right? It just bugs me. You don't put negative. Even if you don't like a stock, you don't slam it on live. There's a lot of people that have all their investments in that, man. You just tell them a fair analysis, and if they don't like it, then they don't like it, right? But you be fair with your people, right? So yeah, we don't have the volume here. Remember this thing was ticking right here under volume. It was going like, I couldn't even keep up. It would already be like, it'd be 75. And then it'd be like 3 seconds later, it'd be like 76. We have a 16th of the volume today. This could hurt us a bit, but it won't drive us down to the moon again. Okay, it's just gonna take a while. Like I said, there's a lot of people that's Friday, they're sleeping in, right? This thing will start ripping again. Okay, we're getting the consolidation right here. We're getting that consolidation. If you look back here, we had none, and that's how it drove us down. See, we had no consolidation here, none, and right here, none, right? It doesn't work like that. It has to have consolidation. And even if this goes lower, I hate saying that, it's not the end of the world with this stock. We just had a little baby gamma squeeze. And I want to use this as an example. Okay, you know how yesterday it was jumping and today it's jumping up and down, up and down. Get used to that and double it. It's going to be jumping more violent than that in a squeeze, okay? It's going to be jumping 10% down, 20% up, 10% down, 30% up, 10% down, 20% down. That's what it's going to be doing. Instead of percentages like 1%, 2%, it's going to be jumping in 5s and 10s, these candlesticks. Okay? And that's a promise. I know that. Okay? Like I said before, you can always go back into archives. When I say archives, I'm talking about back into the media platforms like Google or Yahoo. You can search. I got it right here for you guys. I always say the Volkswagen squeeze, the VW squeeze, okay? April 8th, 2014. You can pull the charts up and there's live videos on it, okay? It made history just like AMC is. GME made history too, right? So, yeah, you're getting buy signals straight across the board. I just want to check our order flow right now. We're still smashing them. We still got more coming in than out. Okay, that's good. That means nobody's selling. So, it's definitely this speed. That's definitely a ladder attack right now, guys. That's how you can tell. I should have shared this like videos ago. Okay, that's how you can tell if you get, because the algorithm will lie to us, okay? And it lies to everybody it goes off of volume and speed, okay? So if you have a hedge fund on this side, okay, and you have one on this side, they might not even like each other. They could be Citadel and some other bumfuck, okay? Company, right? So they don't like each other, but they hate us, okay? So what they'll do is they'll team up and they got these computers and they're linked together on the market, and there's these supercomputers that can process huge amounts of information. Okay, it's like Webull and TD Bank, Amtrade, right? Together, speed trading as many shares as they can that people buy back and forth like this. Okay, well, it's gonna the rhythm won't recognize that as buying. It'll recognize as selling. Okay, so the problem with that, this is how you find out if there's a ladder attack happening. You go up into the order flow. Okay, order flow dispersion, pretty much. Okay, and you look in here. You look at your inflow. You look at your outflow. If the inflow is higher, then it's false, because how could this be going down when this would be up majorly high? There you go. That's how you find if there's a ladder attack. That's how I find out. Okay, and it works because it's common sense. So let's put it back on the chart. Sorry about that, guys. We are down today. We're getting schwacked right now. Don't worry about it. It's all good. We got lots of days ahead of us. We're down 5%. If you did buy when you're at 2-3%, don't worry. You don't look at those numbers, okay? You still did get a good deal, okay? Don't be getting upset because these numbers are so low. 48. We're okay. Ticker symbol AMC Entertainment Holdings. We're at $49 across the board right now. We're in the negative 4.01%, and we got no volume coming in here right now. Oh, it's picking up. Sorry, it's picking up. Here we go. We got some volume coming in here now. Yeah, here we go. So a lot of people are waiting for this red here. I know it's pretty sad, but I just got some things dying here. Okay, I'm gonna read some chat here. Does the industry short stock percentage need to reach a certain number to start the squeeze? Yeah, it does. It does. It needs to be like we have been doing the last couple days. It just dropped right now. We got like nothing coming in again. It does. We need a substantial amount of volume. There's a whole bunch of key factors. Okay, we need volume, a substantial amount of volume. We need the hedge funds to stop ladder attacking it, but that doesn't really matter. I'm just throwing that out. There's a little bit of a joke. Okay, we need volume. Okay, we need, yesterday was the day before when we had the up to 100. That was options mostly. Okay, so if we have a majority of options expiring, okay, that will drive the price up because they have to buy at whatever price. So if they buy at that price, that's classed as a buy. So when they lock in, so that's classed as a buy along with the volume, we'll put it up. See that jump? It just went up 2% in one little go. Okay, that's because they let up on the ladder attack. Okay, see, that's what it's normally supposed to do, but they're pushing it down. Okay, they only can do it for so long. Look at that. It went from 5, almost 5% up to nothing almost. We almost parred it in one candlestick. See how they're pushing it down? It's illegal, but I told you guys before it's a $100,000 fine every time they get caught, or $500,000 even say. That's nothing to them. Okay, nothing. Look how many billions of dollars they wasted like in 2 trading sessions trying to screw us. Okay? So they get fined. Yes, they get fined, but everybody in the pot, I'll take a fine this week. I'll take a fine that week. There is no 3 strikes, you're out. There's none of that stuff. They just pay the fine and they move on. Okay? And it's big money, right? So for the SEC. So they're changing those laws. Like, this won't happen again, guys. This AMC squeeze, once this happens, it's done. That's it. No more. The stocks will squeeze again, but not like this. This is setting history. Okay, they've changed as we've gone. They've changed 10 different laws and sanctions behind us, regulations that'll never happen again. Like, now they have to show their orders, failures and stuff. They didn't have to before. Okay, so that is meshing along a lot of with the old cats. I call them old cats. I'm an old cat, right? So yeah, that messes with a lot of the old cats. The new cats coming along will find another way to screw the system, right? Okay, Chad, did that answer your question, my friend? If not, that's all that I know. I don't know everything, my friends, and you know that. And when I say that I know everything, you might as well just go find someone else to watch, because that's bullshit. I don't know everything, right? I know the stock market, there's a 16th of the people. It's not like the floors like before where there'd be paper all over and the bell would go and it's just like that. It's pretty much dead now. It's all done by computers and big offices, okay? I know that. It's not like that. There's still a bell, but it's not like it used to be. People screaming, they still do it, but it's not as bad, okay? It's all electronically done with these big supercomputers and they speed trade. That's what the problem is. The computers are getting better. The technology for the algorithm is behind. Okay, notice we got halted yesterday a couple times. That's for our protection, because it would have drove that friggin' thing down to $10 if they would have let it go. Okay, that's why it was halted. We are under a sanction. One of the new laws today, the SEC, we dropped more than 10% of regular hours. They can't short us. Or no, just hang on. There's a rule that comes in effect that affects us now. It is in our favor. They can't do something. I'm sorry, I'm dumb. I'm dumb this morning. It goes in our favor, so it'll protect us today, because anything under 10%, it kicks out something. It kicks out a breaker. And that breaker has a law abiding that protects us. So they can't short, I think it is. I don't think they can sell short under the stock for the next day. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong on that. I know it did kick off indicator though. I know we're protected today a little bit from it happening again. Okay, to that degree, because it's negative 10% and it does something. I'll look into that. I can't do it right now because I'm down a laptop right now. I'm waiting for a new one from Costco. I keep on burning brand new laptops. These things are like $3,000 a piece, and I keep on cooking them because I got so much information going through them, right? That's good coffee. Good coffee this morning. I have Caramel. I like those little chocolate caramel bars. That's what that is. Coffee creamer in there. Oh, it's so nice. It's so nice with nice roasted. And the price of coffee's doubled in the last 2 days. If you guys didn't notice that, it's all over the news. But anyways, oh, BlackBerry just got schwacked. That's why I sold yesterday. Holy crap. Okay, we're going to read this ticker symbol right now. We are getting attacked again here. We got 3 crows. This is not a good sign. We need a positive. Ah, shit. Yeah. Oh, it just changed that candlestick up. That's weird. That's so weird how it does it afterwards. Once that's locked out into the next one, that's done. I don't know how it can go from red. See, it's still moving. There's some weird shit going on with this fucking thing, man. I don't know. And there's nobody to ask these questions to either. Because you just get, people just tell you what they think, right? So anyways, yeah, well, that's weird. Anyways, it switched it from 3 crows into a top, a spin top. Or no, it's not a spin top. It doesn't have an equal legs and a body. Sorry, guys, my eyes. But it switched it from 3 crows into an ordinary 2-candle red. That's weird. Excuse me. Okay. So I'm going to read this ticker symbol out and I'm going to jump over to BB, BlackBerry, because I want to look at some stuff too, because I'm putting a new position in on that. Okay, we're covering ticker symbol AMC Entertainment Holdings for new people on the channel. We're at $49.74. We're at negative 3.30. I hate saying that in the red, but it is what it is. Buy signal, buy signals. Okay, so, and we, as you know, in the last month, this is very, very rare, seeing in the red. We're usually in the green. So you guys are always, when is it going to dip? When is it going to dip? When is it going to dip? Today's your dip. Okay. JK, how you doing, brother? I haven't seen you. No, I have. Welcome to the channel. New member. I know I didn't recognize you. Thanks, brother. Thanks for the sub. And everybody on the channel, thanks you too. I'm speaking for them because it's hard. They have other questions and they're watching. So it's a little bit, yeah, not a problem, brother. Welcome to the channel. We got a lot of stuff. If you're an experienced trader, awesome. If you're not, if you go into playlists, we got a lot of charts in there on how to read candlesticks the proper way. And you don't have to pay for it. Okay, it's all free. And then we also do this. This is usually done at 4:25 or 4:15 in the morning, Pacific Standard Time. And because I work, but I don't have to work today, so this is regular trading hours. So you can always watch it after you get up. Okay, pre-market is the same pretty much all night, so that's why it doesn't matter what time. Yeah, no worries, brother. Okay, so what we're gonna do is jump over here. We just covered AMC, so we're gonna jump over to. We also cover everything on here, my friend. So if you drop me a chat, I will cover anything you want, and I'll give you some my take on it anyways. So we're going to go over to here. This is why I sold my position yesterday, okay? And I would have been down. I would have been down about $3,000 right now instead of $500. I should have sold it right here at the. I would have been ahead $100 or $200, but by the time I had all my coveralls on, all my gloves on, by the time, and I bought myself. With your guys' money, with the Wolfpack's money on BlackBerry. I know I didn't ask you guys to spend the money, but I went and bought myself a Samsung 3 Active 3 watch. So when I'm in my machine, I can look down and I can see Weeble. Because you guys, I'm sending that SOS out to you. When we squeeze, I'm giving you, like you said, I have an obligation with you that I'm going to be sending out an SOS so you guys know we're in a squeeze. Same as when we're selling. When I'm selling, I'm sending out that SOS that we're selling. And then you guys can do whatever you do, because I can't tell you what to do. But just so you're not stuck on the top holding a bag full of no money. We don't want that. Okay? And same with the squeeze. When it's actual squeeze, not a baby gamma squeeze. When it goes up 100, 200%, I'll think about messaging you, but yes, the other day, that's just normal. So I was up here. By the time I got my gloves off and got to a place where I could sell, because you can't just whip your cell phone out in a machine or on the job site, I lost $500. Okay. And then I sold out. It gave me enough time to be able to get the app loaded, and I sold. And then it went down. I was like, holy crap. So I'm going to rebuy. I'm getting a new position in BB, BlackBerry. So BlackBerry's at $17.90. We're at negative 6.38% right now. And that's live. That's real time. So that's what I sold our stocks, Wolfpack. So hopefully you're not pissed at me, but that's what I do. I will not be doing that with AMC. Okay, I just did that with this. I've been holding this for 6 months even before I had a channel. Okay, so it's just the way we roll, man. You got to do what you got to do, right? Sundial's just getting schwacked right now. Holy crap. Look at the whole portfolio. Everything's doing, these I own this one. Microvision I don't own, guys. And whoever's owning Microvision, they are holding on hard today. So I'm going to cover some Sundial here. Wow. Holy crap. Wow. Okay, this is what they did yesterday. They did a beautiful thing and then just hedged, just totally fucking hedged. Pardon my language. Sorry, guys. I got to watch that. It slipped. Sorry, I know you have your kids and stuff there watching beside you. Sorry, cat. I'll try not to do that. So, anyways, yeah, we got, this is sad. Very sad. You guys are going to get a little bit of, you need some consult and you're getting some. This will put you up a bit. I'm sorry forever. Oh, ticker symbol SNDL, Sundial Growers, which is out of Canada. Okay. They are big. They're big time. Okay. These guys have bought a lot of little companies up. If you're going to buy a marijuana stock, cannabis stock, you want to buy this one. Okay. So this, let's have a look here. I don't even know if I'd be comfortable buying at this. Just let me have a look. Yeah, I would, I'm going to put this on a different ticker. It's too much low volume. Oh, wow. Shit. I don't even feel comfortable buying it on this. That's up to you. You know, I'm just totally throwing it out there. Do I usually have a set amount? I buy $5,000 chunks. Yeah. I usually spend $5,000 at a time, unless it's AMC and they're expensive and I can't afford it. I've already almost I gotta stop. The Wolfpack, my channel, our channel. You have to remember, I work for you guys, okay? Strictly, right? Without you, I would be nothing, and I know that. I'm not one of these YouTubers that, whatever. I'm nothing without you guys, okay? So that's why I'm very transparent. I buy $5,000 chunks. Okay, that's what I do. Because if I'm very bullish on it, I'm bullish. I'm in, right? I don't spend any more than that because my wife would kill me. Yeah. And the thing is that 10,000 is a lot of money, man, for a lot of people. Some people it's not. It's a fair amount for me, right? I have a way of making that money back if I go too red. Okay, we're going to jump on over to AMC. AMC right now is ticker symbol Amc Entertainment Holdings. Right now, we're currently at $49.44. We are still not doing this consolidation that we need to do. We don't have the volume today. That's our problem. Straight up the problem. So we need more. So we're starting to do a little bit of side action here. But what these bastards are going to do is they're going to keep on knocking us down, okay, until that we're starting to get a little bit more volume right now. Yeah. So there we go. We're fighting like hell, but we just need that volume in. I was hoping that news blast the other night with Adam Aaron and Trades and Matt Coors was going to drive this up. It didn't do anything. So this scared a lot of people yesterday. Okay, what is your initial stop loss? Stop loss? Like, do you have a set amount of money you lose before you can cut the cord? Especially when you first buy in. Depends on the stock. No, I don't. I have alarms set. I don't have indicators where it will sell because sometimes you'll get a dip like AMC. If I would have had this set and it went down 20%, it would have sold my position on me, and then I would have been pre-market happen. I would have had to spend $5,000 to get back in. No, I don't do that. No. And it depends on the stock, because since you're new to the channel, all the subscribers have already done this. take your upper sell limits off, completely off on AMC. If you're holding AMC, GME, and big meme stocks like this, they're gonna, when they squeeze, they get violent. They're gonna be in waves, okay? And everybody on the channel is like, Cameron, you always say this, monotonous, over and over. The average person, you have to be told 8 to 10 times before they actually do something. It's true facts. Look it up. Okay, so not that you guys are morons. It's just that the average person, even including myself, has to be told or see something like a commercial 8 to 10 times before you'll click on it. It's just how we are. It's a filter. We have a built-in filter in our brain. I do a lot of pillars to success, a lot of videos. I watch a lot of that stuff. Okay, how to get rich, not get rich fast, but how to subconsciously, I listen to videos at night, all that kind of stuff. But I watch what I put in my brain. I don't want to brainwash myself, right? Like 7 Pillars to Success, The Secret, the book. I watch that stuff. I believe that stuff. That's why I'm successful. I believe that. Okay, so subconsciously, you'll make decisions like that, my friend. On the bottom limit, what you're talking about in the bowl or whatever you want to call, I don't set them. I set alarms. Okay. So if it dips, like yesterday, AMC, I had like 10 alarms go off. I had Yahoo Finance go off. Webull went off. And then I have them in different categories. My phone was constantly going off, right? Because I have an obligation for you guys. Okay. I don't cover if it dropped. I don't want to mention dropping numbers because it's bad karma. But let's just say red. Okay, when it goes into the red in different segments, different alarms will go off. It gives me a heightened of senses. Okay, I'm a little bit different of a person. Okay, I calculate odds, which goes in my favor about 90% in life, and then 10% it screws me. Okay, because I can't get past it. If the numbers don't make sense, I have a malfunction in my head. It just sits there and rattles, and goes in circles until I figure the problem out. Okay, which can be bad for you, especially with relationships. My poor wife, oh, yeah, sometimes she must want to smash her head against the wall. Okay, I'm very, very opinionated on stuff, right? On certain things. But I've made us a very successful life doing that too. But it does shoot me in the foot sometimes. So if that answers your question, a lot of these apps will have like indicators like buy limit. Like if they'll have an infinity on the upper sell limit, on the upper sell limits, completely take it off, my friend. I can't legally tell you what to do, but just take it off the chart. Because why? They're usually set on even numbers. Like, so we'll start at like $50. If you had it set for 50, you would have sold out. Okay? Then to get back in, you're not going to be able to get back into that price, man. You're going to cost yourselves a substantial amount of money. Depends on how much you put in. If you put 10 grand in, that would have cost you right now, just in that candlestick movement, that would have cost you $3,000 right there. Okay? That's much to get back in on a position. Oh no, not $3,000. That would have cost you $300 right there. 1%, right? That's $100, right? 1% of 10 grand is $100. I think. No, it's not. I'm lying to you. It's $10. I don't know. Too early in the morning. Add the zeros. You know how to do the math. Anyways, I'm all excited because we just hit the green. I got my eyes on other stuff. So, guys, we got that consolidation right here. We got that tailwind. That's what we need. There we go. We got the volume coming in now too. So, we're not out of the park. Well, we're always out of the park, right? Because we own the stock. You bought the stock, you're out of the park. Okay, we knocked it out of the park. So, yeah. This is giving everybody a chance to buy in today, okay? These percentages of lows are nothing, okay? You have to look at the big... Let's do it. Let's look at the big picture together. You're welcome. You're welcome, brother. You're welcome. Hopefully that helps you, but I would definitely... I would be on my phone right now pulling those limits off, okay? On your upper limits. You don't want to be capping your money that you can make. Like, that doesn't make... That's like going to work and saying, I can't discuss my wage online because I've signed a confirmation form just the other day, or else I would. But let's just say an hourly wage, okay? But you're telling the company, no, I don't want to raise. No, I don't want to raise. I'll work for this for the rest of my life. That's what you're doing. You're setting yourself in a bad position. Okay, That's the story. I always tell little stories because you're new to the channel. You got to read between the lines. Okay, that's legally how I can get around these binding obligations that I have and that the world has set up for me. Not, or else I'm hurting you into doing something which I can get sued for. Okay, even though I have a ticker symbol, it would be hard for you to sue me because I have a disclaimer on the front and the bottom. And when you click on it, you're agreeing to that. But there's ways around it, and I know that. Anything can be fought in court. So, anyways, let's get on to the legal bullshit here. And I also had that on the 1 minute chart. Sorry about that, guys. So, let's look at something I did on the 5 minute candles charts here. Let's just go back here. That's looking pretty ugly, but it's not. Let's look at the overall view. Okay? We're not looking that bad. Okay? It would be nice to be up here, but we're going back up there. Okay, now we got these lines right here. This is a huge, that's my own trend line, just so you know. I believe my own trend lines over their trend lines on these platforms because it's done by a computer. Okay, I do my own DD on a lot of stuff, and a lot of people don't like that. They're used to this old way of letting the computer do the work for you. Computers make mistakes, okay? And I have my own trend line set because what you guys tell me, I decipher it and I apply it to our charts, okay, to the scanner. When I say scanner, that's what these are. Okay, this is a scanner, okay? YouTube or Yahoo has a scanner. What I mean by scanner, it's constantly scanning the numbers, okay? It's technically called a stock scanner, okay? Somebody was trying to tell me different the other day, and it's okay, you have your opinion, but I'm right. I'm just joking. So, I'm just going to put this on the 30 minute here. I'm going to have a look at what we've done. You should be very, very proud of yourselves, Wolfpack. Look at this friggin' movement here. This is what we've done over the last month. Okay? Exactly 1 month. If we go back here to the 4th of the next month, oh, we can't get it all in one chart. Okay, so what we'll go back is the 2nd, or no, the 3rd, say. You can't even do that. Sorry, guys. Okay, 3rd, come on. 3rd, right there, 3rd. Okay, if you go back, look at this. Look at this. Okay, we've gone up 100. Here, let's do a Fibonacci retracement here. Since we got time, because things are really just bouncing around here. Fibonacci retracement. Okay, let's go back off here. Let's go back. You said down here. Is that what we were talking about? $8? Oh, fuck. Ha! That's 231 bars at 27 days. We've gone up, what is it? 80, dude, that'd be 600%. 600%, guys. 600% in 1 month, roughly. This isn't directly on, okay? It says 630%, but I think it's a little off because I don't have the line directly on. But this is Fibonacci retracement, and anybody can do this. You can do it with anything. You can even put it to the next day like this, okay? It'll tell you how many bars. The degree of angle is negative 44%, and that's in 1 day, okay? This is used by the pros and yourself. You're professionals too, but you can use this Fibonacci retracement, okay? I don't use it that much unless I'm looking at past history, okay? So if I was to take it off here and put it down here, it'll give you an idea of what's going on. It will calculate in 5 days, 33 bars, and you're at negative 38.4, right? Then that's in percentage, that would be 53.49%. Okay, so you went up 53% in 5 days on that. There you go. Is that 53%? Just hang on, 30. That's wrong. That's wrong. Definitely wrong. It's because, oh, I know why. Shit. Sorry, it's hard to judge. I got to put it on the 1 minute to do that correctly. Sorry, guys. I'll stop screwing around with you. So I'm teaching you something that is wrong. Just, I didn't have it set right. I had it on the 5 minute. At least I know when something's wrong, I can catch myself. Okay, we're going to stop screwing around with that right now because we're going to keep watching this right now because it's doing some good action here. Okay, I gotta plug in one of my devices here. It's gonna die any second here. Just bear with me. There we go. And it's smoke break for me. I've been doing pretty good though. I'm down to half. Notice that? Vape break. Sorry guys, I don't smoke anymore. Well, it's the same thing. Same thing. I try to cup it in case you have kids out of respect. Okay? Don't do what Trader Cameron does. Don't do what the Wolfpack does. He's a retard. Okay? For vaping. Okay. So I did pretty good. I'm an hour in. What is it? Yeah, we're over an hour and I won't even mention the name because you have kids in the room and I don't want them, somebody looking up to me and copying what I do. Okay, I just do have dysfunctions in life. I call them dysfunctions, negatives. So, anyways, we're at $52. So hopefully you guys you got your little bit of a dip for the day to get to do your purchasing. There's nothing wrong with that, getting stuff on sale. Okay, remember I said around this time people are getting up and stuff because it is Friday. A lot of people will party the night before, and wake up to the market. Holy crap! Look at that candle bounce. And we did get the consolidation. We have the consolidation to lock that in. There we go. Look at the volume coming in now. Look at that. Look at the volume. It's tripled. It's tripled. There we go. Okay, today's going to be an exciting day. I already know that people are getting very anxious right now. Yeah, people are getting anxious, which is good. So we got our day traders that are up now. Our day traders have woke up. I'm not saying that I'm not even going to mention it. Okay, just we're getting these levels of support here that are very, very substantial. A lot of people overlook that. We need this. We got it on the 1 minute because I screwed up last time on the 5 minute. The thing is, when this is getting very violent, I might switch this to the 5 minute chart because I don't want to scare you guys with the volatility of this. It's going to be jumping up, like I said, in $10 to $50 segments. When we're at about 800 to 1,000, and yes, you heard me correctly, 800 to 1,000 a share and plus, it's going to be jumping in $50 to $100 segments. Okay, and I might put it on the 5 minute candlestick chart. Which we're using the Japanese candlestick chart. That's what this is. I don't want people getting scared and selling because, especially traders that aren't used to this, how it's going to go, including myself. I've never experienced. I've witnessed the Volkswagen squeeze in 14. I've seen it, but I wasn't part of it. Okay, I've seen it and I watched it and I've learned off of it, and that's just a guideline. This is history, guys. You guys are part of history here. Well, not yet. When the time passes, you'll be part of history. We're making history right now. Okay, and and you're gonna be part of that. Like I'd be screenshotting my shares and saving them. And once you're a millionaire, frame it. I got all my share stuff here. Yeah. See, we need more consolidation. We didn't get any consolidation there, and that's not good. But we'll hold it. We'll hold it. So we got some here that took us to the next level. Excuse me. Excuse me. So I'm going to start asking you guys some questions. I'm going to start picking on our new subs. So we got, and you guys don't need to answer it. I'm not trying to put you on the spot. I'm just trying to make a rapport. A relationship with us, and so everybody else on the channel gets to know you. Okay, there's a really, really good group of people here. Probably one of the best channels out there, and I'm not just saying that. Very respectable. We've never had to kick anybody off for disrespecting, not once yet. Okay, and usually that's a problem on channels. We don't have any trolls on here, right? Which I protect you guys. If I notice anything like that coming up, they immediately they'll get one warning and that's it. I don't give the 3-strike rule. I respect you guys too much because you guys are doing a job. This is a job. This is a very serious job. You got a lot of money at stake on this. on any of the trades. It doesn't matter what you trade, and I do not put anybody down. If you're trading something and I don't agree with it, we can have a discussion, but I can also afterwards I'll say, hey guys, I'll talk to you. Here's my email address, or here, talk to you privately, because I don't want, if I say stuff, I don't want, because I'm very direct on stuff, and you have your own opinion, and I respect that. That's why I would do that. Okay. Just so you know. Okay. And you guys, I'm proud of you guys, all of you guys, like for actually getting in on this. This is huge. Okay. And enough of that sappy stuff. There you guys go. But I want you to be proud of yourself for doing this, being part of this. You're going to be very well off, okay? And even if you only can afford one share, okay, you're going to be doubling and tripling and quadrupling that share, okay? It doesn't matter what you can afford. It doesn't matter, okay? One share is being part of it. One share compared to a million shares, you're still getting the same recognition. It doesn't matter. You're part of it. Okay, you're part of this movement. Without that one share could have been the tipping point. We don't know, right? We don't know that. Okay. Oh, I forgot to say. So hi to everybody on Reddit, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. As you know, all of our chats are not connected together. And the Ortex, yeah, back to that. I'm working on that. Wall Street Breakers, I'm going to be talking to them again. They're going to be supplying us with free charts because I'm affiliated. And JK, if you're still on here, we're affiliated with Wall Street Breakers. It's the same thing. We're the channel that broadcasts pretty much for them, a lot of their stuff. Everything I record gets put onto there automatically. While I'm recording, this is being logged onto Wall Street Breakers. If you go onto Wall Street Breakers, when you go in, there's going to be a mod member that's going to PV. He's going to contact you and say welcome. If you join, it's free to join. And just tell him that you're from the Wolf Pack and you'll get VIP service. Okay? Just so you know, it's all free unless you join their packaging. Like you can become an affiliate like me, or you can, not as high as up. You won't, I'm going to word that correctly. Okay, you're still on. I'm going to word that correctly, that you won't become an affiliate like with the crowns like I do on the top, because we're affiliated together, the channel. But you'll become on the different tiers. There's different tiers you can buy in, and they're different prices per month. Okay, I just wanted to be clear on that because I don't want somebody thinking, oh, I want to be right beside you. It doesn't work like that. And on the left-hand side, you can see it'll say CS Trades 101 socials. That's me. Okay, and I'm Wolfpack. It's not, it's up on the right-hand side. So you're welcome to do that, my friend. It's all free, and then you can chat to the guys. There's a good group on there, and they do have all the Ortex charts, all that stuff. I think you have to buy different tiers for that. I don't know because I'm an affiliate. I don't know about any of that. The other PV will help you out, okay? Awesome guy. Awesome guy. And then now that you're a member, all of us, when the borders open, all of us are going to Mexico. We're renting a resort. I've done it before. Okay, for my family, I've done it. It's just a routine, but now we're going to rent the whole resort instead of a section when this thing squeezes, okay? And you're welcome to come. You guys just pay for your own tickets, and everything else will be free down there. I'll be buying drinks and all that, okay? Most of it's all-inclusive. We'll find out the resort, what we're doing. But, yeah, it'll be on the Cancun side, okay, guys? That's the perks of what I'm doing for you guys. So I will give you a chance to come talk to me. I will have a couple bodyguards around me because that's how it is. But you will have a chance to get pictures and stuff done with me. Okay, and I'll come see you guys at least once a day. We'll have meetings and we'll go for dinner. We'll have suppers together every night. And that's just throwing that out there just because I'm a nice guy. You don't have to come to any of that stuff. But we will be doing that, okay? Like this channel's only 42 days old. Okay, just so you know. Brand new. I've been trading for a while. So, just so you know, right? That's why I know just a little bit about this. Okay, enough about BBB. I just wanted to invite you to that, and everybody gets the same treatment. You can even ask the other seniors on here, the senior members. And senior is only 40 days old, 30 days old. It's funny, but it is what it is, right? But that's how substantial growth has happened. And like I said, you guys own the channel, not me. I'm just the broadcaster. You guys own it. So AMC, and ticker symbol AMC Entertainment Holdings. We're at $52.20, and we are smashing around like a ping pong machine. So These are little numbers right now. Even the loss of 17 is a little fraction of it yesterday. If you look at the overall picture, that's what I want you guys to do. I know it's hard to look at that, but you got to look at the big picture. Okay, we have to have red days. I'm not going to put numbers on it because I believe in karma. We have to have red days to have green days. Okay, and that's just common sense. It's just how the stock market runs. Okay, ticker symbol MVIS. I'm looking at the scanner on my portfolio left side. You're up another 1.10%. You've gone at 1.10% as we're at $18.42. Okay, I'm not going to pull off here because we're getting a little bit of action here, and I want to stay tuned to this. Okay? So, GameStop is at, we're still in the red on that one, but not by much. We're at 254.80 right now, and we're 1.31 in the red. Okay? Oh, no, that was AMC. Okay. Okay, Sundial is actually a little bit better than before. They're at about 8.5% in the red instead of 10. They're at 1.171. Okay, that's the actual dollar amount, and they're 8.53 in the red, roughly. Okay, oh shit! Forgot to tell you guys the COVID pill. If anybody bought the COVID pill, okay, I'm gonna pull this up. Ticker symbol AEZS. There's a big lawsuit going on. Class action lawsuit. And you can make a lot of money joining it if you do own the stock. I own the stock. I'm in on the lawsuit. I got to do some more digging on this. I just got the paperwork on my email. And I won't show it to you because there's personal information on there. But I will vet it out. My personal information, I'm going to pull it up live for you. And see who's eligible. I don't know because I've been telling you that this is what I paper hand. It's all over at spots because they don't get that much volume. So, that's the 30-minute. See what I mean? So this thing does go up to the $1.40. That's what I do. I buy it and flip it. And then it goes down. Then I flip it. And I've made so much money on this. It's a one-shot deal. You take the pill, bam, that's it. No temperature restriction, one-shot deal. And it's the COVID pill. They're on the 4th try, I think, now. But something happened. I don't know if it's with the COVID pill, but I have to dig into it. They got sued hard. So that is, I'm waiting for it to recover. I'm going to pull out, I think. I don't know yet, so just wait on that. Wait until tomorrow and remind me, guys, on that. Call me on it tomorrow. Oh, no, market's closed tomorrow. Monday. I might do a podcast. I think I'm going to do some schooling this weekend. We're going to cover some more ticker symbols. It's just that I got so much negative feedback on the last one. I don't know. I think people think that I'm putting them down by teaching them these simple basics of trading, but it's not. It's not like that. I want you guys to, there's a lot of people that want to learn. Okay, we're going to go back on to AMC. Is at 50. Wow, it went up quite a bit. 52.18. Changed up. We're actually a full percent higher from when I was on it last. Any questions, guys, at all on the chat? Do you want to, whatever you want to talk about? Oh, we're at 2%. I'm just going to take my little bit of a 10-second break here. SOS is at, they're in the green actually right now, which is good. 3.680 for the dollar range, and they are at 0.41 in the green. We don't own stake in that, but I know some members do, and I like to just cover everything, right? As much as we can. Naked is getting schwacked here. Holy crap. Wow, that sure changed. They're only at 74 cents right now. And it's at 9.57 in the red. Where's that cost? We're looking at what is up here. Yeah, they're getting hammered too a little bit. Not much. At 29.84, 3.21% in the red. JK, just so you know that the podcast, this isn't normal, me staying on this long, just so you know. I'm usually on early in the morning, so I don't know what time you get up. I'm only doing a 15, 20 minutes in the morning now because I'm back to work. But with the days off, I'll just rip it. That's what we're doing, ripping it right now. I'm going to stay on a little bit longer today, and then I got to go out and do some yard work and stuff. But what time? How long have we been on? Oh, yeah, well, time flies. But yeah, I'm having fun today doing this. I just missed you guys. Yeah, coffee break. Coffee break, guys. I just need a couple minutes here. Yeah, and I'll be getting some shirts, Wolfpack shirts printed, too. I'm not going to be doing it. I'm going to be doing it before we're monetized, because I think there's a lot of people that want them for support, especially through the AMC. I'm going to be getting two different ones. I'm going to be getting ones that say Wolfpack CS Trades 101, and then I'm going to have AMC on it. I don't know how that can work. It's copyrighted. Actually, no, I don't think I can do that. I don't think I won't do that, actually, because I can actually get sued for that. It's copyrighted, that symbol. So what I'm going to do is they're going to say Wolfpack. They're going to have our logo on it. I'm actually going to get the business. It'll be my wife's end of it. I'm just going to set it up. I'll probably go do that today. Actually, I'll go take our prints down there and get it done now that the business cards are made. And you can actually order those. I'll give you, all you'll do is just an e-transfer and address, and we will mail it to you. You will have to pay shipping on it, which is just standard, right? But yeah, we'll be doing hopefully coffee mugs and shirts, okay, t-shirts. We're not going to get into hoodies yet until wintertime. Okay, it's just too much. Okay, Chad, when the short squeeze happens, with your help, if I become a millionaire, I'll personally build a statue of you in our honor outside of my local. Aw, thanks, buddy. Aw, thanks, man. We are on our way to be millionaires, man. I hate to say it, and a lot of people make fun of me, but the real diehards know it in their heart. You get that fluttery feeling in your heart when you know something's right? And I wouldn't waste all my time doing this. Like, I have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of hours in on this in the last 40 days. Okay, and that's like when I wasn't working, I was diehard on this. Like, as you guys know, it'd be like podcast after podcast. And a lot of people get upset over that. They're like, crap, man, my YouTube bell won't stop ringing and it's always you. If you do get annoyed from that, just shut the bell off. But I wouldn't recommend doing that until after the squeeze, or else you're not going to get your SOS notification. Okay, but you can silence that. Okay, don't just unsubscribe because I'm being annoying. Okay, that's not cool, man. Because I put a lot of time in this, and I respect you guys. You can do whatever you know. I'm not telling you what to do, but I just don't want you to miss that SOS, right? That's why I'm saying don't do that. I'm not. You can do whatever you want, right? I can't control that, and I'm not here just to get subs. I'm not pushing my subs. I'm very direct on my subs, but you guys do what you want, and if it is what it is, right? I'm not here going, you sub constantly. That's up to you guys, right? I just want everybody to get rich, man. I'm a fair person, right? There's so much negative and so much squalor in this world, and so many mean people, and I think you can all relate to that. There's especially when it comes to money, like it just turns people evil, and you probably have friends even that are like that you're just like shaking your head at, right? So I like to bust that out. I like to push that aside, and everybody's equal. That's why I said, if you own one share, you're treated equal as me owning 1,000, right? Because without that one share, it might be the tipping point to kick all of us to millionaires. Because if one person owns a share and there's 1 million people, that's 1 million shares, right? So, ticker symbol AMC. We're at $51.87, and we're just banging around again. We're getting some consult here, which will drive us up to the next level. We need some more sideways action. If this would do 3 or 4 candlesticks over, it would do it, right? Or this, or that. But see, that's just going to push us. See, that's what happens when you don't have the consolidation. But we'll take anything we can get, right? It's a beautiful thing. I love that color green. I should paint this whole room green like that. Ha. Yeah, it'll be nicer when I get this laptop. It should be here. What's the date? Today's the... Oh, no, it's not here till next week. Yeah. It'll be way easier to talk to you guys and stuff, man, because I'm running off just 2 monitors right now. 2 32-inch HD 1080p monitors. It's hard, trust me. Because I usually have 2 scanners up, just because sometimes they can lag, right? Here we go. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. There we go. So I'm going to put a trend line in here for you guys. Look at that. That's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful stuff. We're doing really good. We're doing good as far as stocks. If you look back at other histories of other stuff, it doesn't ride like this. Like, this is where we're building our stepping stone back up. Because you have to remember, we got hit. Oh, man. Like, it was like getting kicked in the gonards, right? I felt it, man. You could hear it. You could feel the tension, too, on my job site. It's crazy. So, anyways, I'm going to put a trend line up here for you guys. A horizontal trend line. We're going to put one right up here. Put one right here. The reason why I did that, I don't put it on the top of the wick. I put it on the bottom, is because there's 1, 2, 3 touch points. I could have went higher. This is strictly a guideline for myself and you guys to when we bash through this, that we're on our way up. We're out of this bearish territory. Okay. Stupid thing. I don't like this platform sometimes. Oh, why does it do that? Weird. Okay, I'm going to lock this one, though, because I'll end up erasing it with my luck. There we go, lock that. Okay. What else is going on over here? My fuse, cobalt. Oh, I lost so much money on that. I'm like down 4G. I bought a $5,000 chunk. It's Fuse Cobalt. It's a government stock. It's a Canadian one, and I should know better. Anything the government touches is crap, right? Same as in the States. Like, don't buy shares that the government is boasting, man. I bought that when I first started trading, and it still won't recover. It's just a waste, and I won't take a hit. I'm not giving my money to the government like that. A $500 hit's bad on BlackBerry, but that's to redouble down again, though. So that's different. Dude. Loop. I don't understand why Loop is still doing good today. But this thing's gotten schwacked too. It's suspended again. Oh yeah. And this is the fun thing. I got into a little bit of a tiff with somebody on Webull here in the comments under Loop. You'll see my comments here. The guy tried telling me, "Oh, this is good." So I said, "Go ahead, buy. You do what you want. I'm just giving you free information out here," because I don't think he knew who I was. So he went and bought. Next day it dived. I didn't get back on there because I don't do that. I was going to go, see, told ya. I don't do that stuff. Oh, suspended again. This unsuspended and suspending. That's the problem. Whoever's running this stock are a bunch of clowns. Okay, they're killing this thing. And this is a hydro. They replace the diesel engine with a hydrogen fuel cell, and it has as much power. They have eFlow technology. They're way ahead of their technology on that. And it's awesome stuff, but like, they're just killing this company. Like, let it do. They keep on thinking that if they halt it, it's going to be halting. Is a breaker halt is strictly for control over volatility on the way up or down. Notice we got a halt on AMC on the way down. If we wouldn't have got that halt, it would have gone right to $2 a share. Okay, it's a cool off period. Okay, and on the way up too, we got halted at, what was it, 100? Or no, 100. No, sorry, correction. We got halted at, yeah, it was 100%, 105%. We got halted because it was going up too fast. And that's a good thing, because if it would have went up fast, it would have dove fast. That's why it locked in at 50, and we're stuck at this $50 range exactly before it got volatile. Okay, because we didn't have any support levels at that, right? So we don't want it to do that. We don't want it to go straight up like that. We want it to go up in segments. I know it sounds weird, and you're like, "What the hell are you talking about?" But it's true. Talk to any seasoned stock advisor; they'll tell you the same thing. Okay, so enough of chatter. Doot. Okay, Cat, you're in for the long haul today. Very busy lady. So, not sure if there's any truth to this. I saw a tweet of a couple days ago saying that the max dollar amount of AMC is $73. After that, it's unknown territory. Cat, the max, like the max dollar amount, like it's not going to go any higher, or that's, I'm going to cover two different angles on that, because there's two different takes that I can take. Are you talking that the charts don't know, they have nothing past to go on to calibrate all the indicators? Because we're already in unfamiliar territory. That was back at $26, I think it was. Whatever the high it was before, we are on new levels. Here, I can tell you right now. Just give me a second. Just give me a second here. It's changed. It's all changed. So I can actually tell you that right now. We got nothing else to do anyways. We're just watching this. Okay, let's go back here, Cat. Excuse me. So, sorry for coughing in the mic. I know that's very loud. Fuck. Okay. Here we go. There's our unforeseen territory. I don't think they know what they're talking about. They're probably talking about what we were at before. Okay, because we did put new levels. There's two different ways you can decipher that. Okay, before we had that baby gamma squeeze the other day, and it was just a baby gamma squeeze. It was mother of all gamma squeezes. It was awesome, but it was still a baby gamma squeeze. So this $20.35, $20.36 to $21 is unforeseen territory, which means that there is no past history of this stock ever being at that. So there's a couple things that come into factor now. It means that all these indicators like the MA, EMA, all these signals and guidelines that we use don't mean shit, okay? They are only strictly indicators as a guideline. They're not factual information. They have no information to compile off of to do their analysis, okay? That's what they could be referring to. We're going to go back here, and I'm going to show you something. There you go. That's 70. Yes, 73. Okay, that's what they're referring to, Kat. Yes, they are right to some degree on that. They're about 90% accurate on that. Okay, so the reason why they didn't say 72, 63, they went above because you're cutting hairs. They rounded it, which I just did back there. I rounded it to what, 22 or whatever, 23, I can't remember. But so yeah, that's what they're saying. Yes, they're correct, 90% on that, and some percent no on that. But yeah, they're right. They're right. So it is unforeseen territory, and that is because we're going to go back on the 1 minute. It's because there's nothing there. There's no history of it. It's the highest AMC's ever traded in its whole 100+ year life. Okay. Do. We're looking good. We're doing beautiful. This is what we needed. This is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. This will bump us up to 3% in the next candlestick, a couple candlesticks. This will hit us up. We're going to get a bit of a push down here because we don't have as much volume coming in right now. We need another shove. Yeah, I knew that was going to happen. That's why I said that. I just didn't want to say it out loud, but that's okay. Don't worry about it. But this is what we had right here. This put us up to a new level, okay? Same here. This drove us up. We got to get this happening because we don't have the volume, guys. If we had the volume, yes, 2-3 candlesticks. That would be if you're on the 1 minute, every candlestick's a minute, okay? If you're on the 5 minute, every candlestick's 5. That's how that works. A lot of people don't understand that, and a lot do. I'm not trying to say you're dumb. I'm just trying to get information out there, okay? So That's why, have you been watching before market closes? The last couple minutes seem like a year, or they don't seem like, they seem like 10 minutes because you're so intense. I do that every time it closes. Like yesterday I was doing it. I was on my toes, man. I think my heart rate was up high too because it stretches out. And it just, you want it to close, or you want the market to, like, when it went up to that, when we were inside, it was like 20-30% minus, and then it went to 17, 15, 14. I'm like, just friggin' close, lock the day out, lock it out, because there's a cool off period, okay? And then it'll correct itself like it did today, okay? That's how it works, okay? Oh, yeah, you guys can join my Twitter account. I don't have that many people out there. We just broke through our line. See, remember I said it would go like crap once you got through this resistance line? There you go. It could push us back down, but we got it. We got it, guys. Today's a day. We got her. There we go. There we go. That's how you do that. That's why I put that horizontal trend line there, okay? Because now we have a new level of support, especially when we have another candlestick behind it. See, now is when I would go over. See, lock in and bounce to the next one, because then we're locked in, right? But we have a new level right now. It can go below, but I'm just telling you, we have a new level of support. It's harder for them to drive down. Not saying it won't. It's harder for them to, okay? Especially when you got 3 or 4 of them. So that's what that is, right? See how it's having problems? See how it's having problems? I'm not saying it can't, but see how it had problems trying to get down through that because there's a new level of support. I sound like a frigging broken record, but I'm trying to teach you guys, okay? I got to word that. I'm trying to teach you guys because that sounds like that I know it all, and I don't want to come across like that, okay, at all, because I don't. I just wanted to point that out. That's a better way. I just wanted to point that out to you, okay? So now we definitely have a new level of support, okay? And see what happens when you have a new level of support? You get friggin' drive behind it, okay? See, we're looking good, guys. Like, we're looking beautiful. There's nothing wrong with this. Okay, so we're setting new standard right now. See, there's a new level right here of support. 1, 2, and this will be the third one. It depends on how high we go, right? We're at 6%. Okay, we're at 50. Ticker symbol. The reason why I keep on reiterating this is because a lot of people will be listening on audio at work and stuff instead of watching the video. They'll have it on audio or on earbuds. That's why I keep on doing that, in case you guys are wondering what I'm doing. So we're at ticker symbol AMC Entertainment Holdings. We're at $54.02. We are at 5.21% in the friggin' green. Yes, yes, yes. And we're fighting right now like hell for what we have. And we have a nice little bit of volume coming in, but we could do better. Okay, we're doing good. I'm not complaining. If we can just hold this for the day and keep this level, we're good. We're good. I know you'd love to see higher, but remember how the turtle wins the race? That's exactly it. If we keep on doing little chunks like this, we want around the 18th of June. Around that date, there's a lot of options expiring. For some reason, the June 18th is a very special day in the AMC community. I'm going to have to dig on more on that, but I keep on seeing that date pop up everywhere. I think it's because of options expiring and that's going to potentially cause a short squeeze around that area. There's my level again of support. See? That was actually at the top of that candlestick right there. But I like this one better. I like to do the body. You could hit the top of the wick, but the body is a more solid take, I think. Anyways, that's just what I taught myself. Right? I just done more. Here, sorry, I'll get that off there so you can see it. We got the MEA crossed over the MA, which is not a good signal. But it'll straighten out, and it's pulled far away from each other, which is not good either. That's a bearish trend, see? That's why I said that. It's not. Oh, it pulled back. Oh, that candle, that wick pulled back. That's beautiful. It false tested that. Come on, guy. Come on, little. Come on, go. Oh, it punched back through it. That's weird. I don't know how it can adjust afterwards. Like, that's old news. That's history. Weird. I don't know about this Webull thing. It might have had false information and it corrected itself. Come on, come on, come on. We need to get that up higher or else that next candlestick's going to hurt us. Come on, baby. Go a little bit higher. Fuck. Shit. Come on. We need some more volume, guys. What time is it? Oh. Damn it. I knew that was going to happen. It's okay. We got new levels down here. Let's find a new trend. That looks like a good support level right there. We're going to, yeah, that's not the end of the world. We'll go back up and down. We're still early. What is it? Pacific Standard Time. It's only 8:10 in the morning. Oh, I thought it was like 10. Oh, we got this. Don't worry about it. I'm actually going to draw, we got a bull flag forming here, guys. Bull flag. I'm just going to check something out. I'm just going to, if you don't mind, I'm just going to do a couple charting, a little bit of charting here, if you guys don't mind. Ah, fuck. Remember, this doesn't have to be accurate, okay? There we go. Yeah, we got a bit of a bull flag forming here, guys, which isn't the best. But we can bust out of it, though. Looks like we are. Got ourselves in a little bit of a pickle here. We're going to need a little bit of volume to bust out of this predicament we got ourselves in right now. Actually, I'm going to take that off. Ah, shit. There we go. Okay. Yeah, Gamestop's rattling, GME's rattling around it. They're testing waters. They're stuck on par right now, back and forth, back and forth. I've been watching under the corner of my eye. They're at ticker symbol GME. GameStop is at 258.04, and they are negative 0.06, so 6%, 0.6%. At 31, it just jumped down a little bit. That's nothing. That's nothing. See what I said? We got ourselves in a bit of a pickle here. We're gonna need a little bit of work to punch that. Got a little bit of. We're gonna do it right now. What do we got for volume here? Just let me do some math here. So there's a $500,000 right there. So 1 million shares, that's nothing. Oh man, we have only turned 134.88 million shares today. Fuck. I wish I could dump another. I wish I could buy a couple more thousand shares. Well, if what would 1,000 shares would be? That'd be expensive. Holy crap. That would be, okay, well, let's say $50 a share, 1,000, that'd be 500. No. $5,000 would buy you 100 shares would be $5,000. Yeah, 100 shares would be $5,000. Wow. 53, it would be $5,300 for 100 shares right now. Holy crap. I haven't done the math because I bought way down at the bottom at the 14 something, which if you're going to buy, not doubling down, but it depends on how much money you have. But come on. Damn it. See, I told you that line is like a really, really serious line there. Go, baby. Go. Lock in and bounce. Lock in and bounce. I wish I had a second. When I get that new watch, I'll be able to count the candlesticks by second. You guys have a second indicator? I do. Webull has one in the bottom. I never noticed that before. Right down here in the corner, we got a second. So that'll lock in over right now. There. There. So it's set for 5 seconds after the minute. Okay, they're a little bit because of the lag in the internet. That's what we wanted. Okay, so we got consult here. How much do we want? I see we're not trading that much. These were in the millions before. This is like 2-3 million a candlestick on the 1 minute. It's going to be a very, very steady race. Yeah, I'm gonna jump off here pretty soon, guys. I know it has been an awesome morning and it's Friday, and I'm not right away. I'm just giving you guys heads up, okay? Thanks to the new subs, and welcome to the Wolf Pack. That's awesome stuff. And you're one of us now. Now there's no turning back. I'm just joking, but yeah, I'm going to shoot a video out there, I guess, on some stock charts and stuff. I'll do it later on. I also make Android boxes too. You know those Android boxes you get all the free movie channels on and all that stuff? I make those too. That's another company I own, the Android King. And you get 20,000 channels, live TV channels, and we get all the movies out of like Netflix and all that stuff, Amazon, we get it all free. You don't have to pay for it. The boxes are $215 Canadian. And if you go over to Facebook and you type in Android King TV, that's me. I will accept you, and we ship worldwide, just so you guys know. Okay, I said to throw that out there just because I gotta make some boxes up this morning for some clients. That's what I need to do. And we do have our own app to upload the boxes, just so you know. So if they outdate, you just hit our app store, and it's only $25 a year for a script. It's very cheap. So you can contact me about that stuff on cstrades101@gmail.com, and I'll hook you up. So, yeah, it's gonna be like this. It's gonna be like this all day, but we're doing really good. We're fighting this. Okay, it is what it is, right? That fucking thing. Yeah, it's that level right there. Wow. Fuck. Come on. Yeah, we need that rush. Come on, bring the rush in. Here we go. Just as I said that, we're getting a little bit of pickup here. Yeah, nothing compared to the other day. Okay, guys, I want you to keep it real out there, and there you go. There we go. There's our volume. Remember I said it was just picking up? There we go. Oh, we had a substantial bind. Just hold that stick. Hold that friggin' thing. There we go. Punch it. Come on. Fuck. Oh, the volume just dropped off again. Ugh. There we go. The volume just picked up again a little bit. Okay, good. So I'm very comfortable with leaving you guys today. This is ticker symbol AMC Entertainment Holdings. We're at $53.58. 4.30% in the green. The green is the color we like. Okay, so I'm going to leave you guys alone. You can always contact me on cstrades101 on gmail.com. And I'm going off to the print shop to get some shirts made for you guys. I'm only going to be getting 2 different types made. I'm going to be getting extra large and larges made. I'm not going to be getting 3, 4 different, a whole bunch. I don't have room to stockpile all that stuff. So they will be made as you order, okay? Because I live in a condo and I don't have that much room, okay? My whole office is a YouTube studio. So I will be having those shirts out. I will show you what they look like live. I will not be posting anything because I don't have a merch store set up on YouTube. You have to be monetized for that, but I'm going ahead and doing it anyways on my own free stuff. And then I'll give you guys on my website too. Oh, what Reddit's just hitting us. I just want to check out this message that just came in from Reddit. It might be some good news. Oh, wow. We just got a 10 vote up on their last video. You might want to go watch that last video I posted. Wow, look at us go. See, I told you the volume was coming in. Yeah, not a problem, Chad. Awesome. There we go. We're going to break out of the bull flag. We just did it. Yes. Come on, lock. Lock, baby. Fuck. The next candlestick over. We just need to consolidate more. We're going to punch out of this bull flag. We got ourselves in a bit of a pickle there. It doesn't mean you can't break out of it, okay? There we go. We just need to lock in. So I feel very comfortable leaving you guys today, okay? We're going to do this. I don't put numbers on stuff, as you know, but I'm very comfortable today. Today we're going to be in the green for sure today, okay? Remember I said the turtle runs the race, especially with this. You have to remember every percent is millions of dollars the hedge funds lose. 1%, okay? The cost to borrow is going substantially high on this thing. I'm going to have some charts in the next couple days, or texts for you. Okay. And you can also access the Ortex charts on Wall Street Breakers. If you guys go over there and tell them that Wolfpack sent you, CS Trades 101, PVO look after you. And I'm out of here. I'm going to wait until we bust out this bull flag first. Potentially bull flag. Okay. Nice. Nice test. Nice test. 55.50. That's a good number. I like that. Okay, guys, I gotta go. I can stand here all day. Okay, so keep it real. I will be here Monday morning. It will be at 4:15. You'll get my notification. I'm back to work Monday, so sorry about that. It won't be early like today. I'll set you guys up for pre-market. As in within an hour, nothing really changes in pre-market. I got your backs. So hopefully Monday and that next week, we're gonna have an awesome week. I know we will. And yeah, I'm very confident with today. We'll probably close in the green. Okay, and it's been a slice. And thank you guys. Okay, keep it real. I'm out of here.